Beet juice has been around for a while, but some people still don't know what it is or why they should drink it. Beet juice can be used to cleanse the liver and kidneys and detoxify the body of harmful toxins. It also helps with inflammation, arthritis, gout, kidney stones, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease and much more. So if you are looking for natural healing solutions that work without side effects, then beet juice may just be your answer. 5 benefits of beet juice. 1. Detoxify the body of harmful toxins. The liver is one of your largest organs and it's responsible for detoxification. This often means breaking down fats, cholesterol, hormones, medications, etc. The kidneys work in tandem with the liver as they filter out waste products from our bloodstream like urea and creatinine, which are then eliminated through urine or bowel movements. Beet juice is great for detoxification because it helps the liver break down and remove toxins from your bloodstream, which then has a positive impact on kidney function too. 2. Helps with inflammation. Beetroot is an excellent source of nitrates which are great for helping to relax the muscles and reduce inflammation. This means that beet juice can be used as a natural remedy to help relieve muscle soreness, headaches and arthritis pain. 3. Helps with arthritis. Arthritis is a form of inflammation that can flare up in the joints and cause pain. Evidence suggests beet juice may be able to reduce these symptoms because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means this natural remedy could help relieve joint stiffness and swelling too. 4. Helps with gout. Gout is a form of inflammatory arthritis where small deposits of uric acid build up in the joints. Uric acid crystals can be dissolved by drinking beet juice, which means it could help to alleviate this condition. 5. Helps with kidney stones. While not a common cause of pain, some people have trouble passing stone fragments from their kidneys. The usual treatment involves surgery, but beet juice may be able to help by dissolving the crystals in your urine, which means it could reduce or even prevent future occurrences too.